back to my YouTube channel. It's your favorite MUA again, Glam Look Biker. I didn't miss this pretty face. I missed you guys too. I'm back to stay. We're back to keep this channel moving. Yeah, so today is going to be a get ready with me. Yeah, so first of all, I'm going to, I already prepped my skin. I just want to apply my sunscreen and we're heading to the makeup. Okay. How have you guys been? How have we been surviving in this country? It's not been easy for me, I don't know for you guys, but moving around without cash has been really difficult. The election, I just feel this country is just so unsettled at this point. We were hoping that by next month things will settle and we'll have cash. Like, it's just so difficult for this country. Yeah, so just tell me how you've been surviving in the comment section, or rather how you've been coping with this whole buhaha happening in our country. So I'm done with that, and today we're going to be doing skin first because I want to do something really subtle. I'm just going to hang out with a couple of friends, and I don't need to do too much, but we need to sleep. I haven't had makeup on since last year December, and you guys know when we have makeup, when we decide to have makeup on, we go all out, but yeah, sort of though. So next thing I'll be doing is to prime my face. This is the Becca Mattifying Primer. Okay, a bit goes a long way because this primer is the truth. I have indeed missed filming for you guys. I don't know which video would go first, either this or the birthday shoot for a client last friend. But either ways, I just hope you enjoy the tutorials, and let me know in the comment section the kind of looks you want me to bring this year, and I'll come through as usual. I think someone dropped in the comment section sometime last month. I saw something about me using the white setting powder, if it goes for all skin types. Yeah, I think if you're a professional makeup artist, you can use that, for all skin types, but it depends on how you blend. I can use it on a dark skin person. It's just the blending game that matters. So we're done priming, and we have to head into the foundation. But before that, you already know I live for setting sprays, and I'm just gonna hydrate like this. Hydrate this. I'm using the L'Oreal Too Much foundation and Tower foundation to mix them together. Maybe I'll go in with a bit of Huda. I don't know yet, but let me just get my mixing pan. I'll be right back because I don't want to be on my skin because we are going out. We're done mixing the foundation. This is it in my mixing pan. Yeah, I don't know when last I used this mixing pan. I usually just go into my foundation and put on my skin. Old habits. So okay, this is what it's looking like. I just need to use this brush to apply it gently before going in my beauty blender to blend in. So again, I go in my setting spray to then blend. You're darling. So who did we vote for? Do I actually want to bring politics on my channel, or do I? But tell me in the comment section, who did you guys vote for, and who are you rooting for in the court case? Who are you rooting for to win? Do I have a candidate? Did I vote? I don't know, but yeah, you'll find out. If you want to know if I voted, go to my Instagram page and follow me. I'll let you know if I voted or not here. You get it? Okay, I'm still blending in my foundation. So this is Newborn Beauty sponge, I presume, or Younger Beauty. I don't even know, but yeah. When I unboxed it, I think I unboxed it in this channel. So just go back to the video and figure out. I'll let you know in the description box when I'm putting in the products I use. Yeah. Well, guys, are you guys feeling this foundation? Are you seeing how it's blending in? I'm thinking of filming a get to know me video, but I was like, you guys already know me, you know. But let me know if I'm wrong in the comment section. Yeah, I think you guys know everything you should know about me, don't we? Yeah, just let me know in the comment section if you would like me to film such video, and I would come through. Okay, we are well done with foundation. Foundation in. Oh, I feel if you get the foundation right in your makeup, you would definitely, you know, get everything right. No, that was a joke. But if you get the foundation right in your makeup, just gives your base a good feel. So even if you go wrong with your brows and all that, your skin is just glowing. Voila. So next thing I'll be doing is to contour my face. I don't want to do any harsh contour my face. It's just something light. So I'll go in with the foundation. So I'll be using this Milani foundation in Golden Toffee. Though Golden Toffee is too dark, like I said, I don't want something dark, but I think that's what I can find on my desk here. So I'll be mixing it with the foundation I use on my skin, so I don't get to have the contour too dark. So I will just mix it on my pan and come back to that. So I want to contour it now. Let's start here. Done contouring, I just need to highlight and blush and bring this whole lip out together. But before then, you already know I need a certain place, so we need set. So I'll be using this lip palette as my blush, and I'll be mixing this red and this red. I'm done with the blush, and I'll go with my foundation. The same foundation I used earlier for my reverse contour. I would have used my concealer, but I will not like that much too light, but I still used to go with the second foundation. This foundation just helps I'm dreaming in dreams bigger. So I'm done contouring, so I'm going with my Pro Concealer in Creamy Beige. Paint my life into a masterpiece, coloring it how I want it to be. Won't stop till I see what I want to see. And my Ezekiel concealer. So I'll be using my favorite palettes. You guys already know this palette, and this is an eyeshadow palette, but I just like using a bit of that for my contour because it doesn't make it so dark. I could as well use a powder, but whatever works for me, right? You guys want to say hi to my friends? Becky, come say hi to my people, to my fam. So she's a black beauty. Yeah, so more like Fanta and Coke. Yeah, and that's my girl Becky. You'll be seeing, I think our next video might be with her. What do you think? Is that yes? Yeah. So we are going out together.
Yes, we are. We're tuning out together.
Yeah. Okay. So where we headed to? Tell them. They chose the location. Okay.
Location is in Ikeda.
So I might just do a video for you guys when I get there. With the video, this is me just blushing. You guys already know I love blush. But not so much as well. And I'll be using the same Mira Cosmetics setting powder for my reverse contour. So the next thing is the brows, and I'll be using my hair wax to brush up my brows first before we. So right here, I was done transitioning using my transition color, and I was trying to make a base for my eyeshadow, and I was using a concealer, one of the concealers I used earlier, which is a pro concealer, and I'm just being light-handed because, like I said, I'm not doing anything much, and I didn't want to use my clown white. I just needed my concealer as a base, and here I'm going in with my House of Tara palettes, and I'm using the Good Light shade. Yeah, I just like you guys continue watching. And I'm hoping you're enjoying this tutorial. Please drop in the comment section if you are. Thank you. And after using my main base color, I went ahead to use the same brush and the same eyeshadow I used as my transition color. If you can see what I'm doing, to just blend it back so I don't get to see the demarcation between my main color and the transition. I just want everything to just blend in softly. And I'm using my Mira Cosmetics eye pencil. This is charcoal. Like I said, I use Mira everything. If you've not gotten your Mira Cosmetics, either brush, pencil, setting powder, you're sleeping. You're sleeping on a mat. So go to Life's page or go to Mira Cosmetics page and order from there. So guys, I'm about doing my lips, and I'll be using this lip palette, iMagic, for my lips. I don't even know what I want to do, but let's see. I went ahead to use the brown lip color in the palette to outline my lips first before going in with the main color. I think I will be doing something ombre, but yeah. So after that, I went ahead to blend them before using my main color. So after using the main color and blending, I went ahead to go over it with a gloss. You guys know I love glossy lips most times. And after which I went ahead to outline my lips using my foundation, the same foundation I used earlier. So the outline is not quite obvious. It needs to blend into the skin. I just need to outline the lips and more like shape it up. And after which I went ahead to blend everything. So right here the makeup is coming all together. Yes. Wow, I'm still loving this look. I'm looking so pretty. And this Mirror Cosmetics setting powder is really the truth, if I must say. And if you've not gotten one, please head over to their page and purchase one. Trust me, it's a money well spent. I'm not going to be scared of makeup because you're a master. If you think you don't like it, it's done. It's like password. And this is me adding some glow to the face. Glow up, baby, glow up. Yeah. So my forehead, my chin, the necessary places, and we go again the setting spray. I live for setting sprays, guys. I can spray this like 4 times or more while having my makeup done, and it just helps my makeup sit in properly. Guys, we are done. This is the final look. I'm just going to put on my hair and my dress and we'll be right back. I hope you loved the tutorial. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. I hope you learned one or two as usual. Thank you. If you have not subscribed, please do subscribe, share this video, like, comment, and also follow me on Instagram at glam.bycam. Thank you for supporting us. See you soon. Hey guys, so I'm back and this is what I'm looking like. I'm looking like what you already know, a bag of money. I'm so loving this look. Everything is given, from lashes to brows to skin to lips. I could just eat up myself right now. Yeah, so this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial once more. Thank you for supporting Glam Look by Cam. Please do it to subscribe if you haven't. Share this video to everyone you know, family, friends, foes, everyone. Just get this video across everywhere on the platform. Okay, thank you so much for watching today's tutorial. Please do not forget to drop in the comment section the kind of look you would like to see next. Smoky, trad, any trad inspiration you want me to bring, I will. That's why I'm here, of course. Okay, we are heading out now. Becky, come and say hi.
Okay.
And my girl is ready.
Hi guys.
Wow, she's looking well. Bag of money.
Yep.
All right, guys.
Bye.
We need to go now. See you guys later.